Hello everyone. In this video, we are discuss GST compliance. What are the GST compliance in India? In order to replace different state and federal taxes, the Good and Services Tax was implemented in India on July 1st, 2017. GST is a tax imposed on the provision of goods and services with the objective of harmonizing the tax system throughout the nation. GST compliance requirement in India. GST registration in any company or individual engaged in the provision of goods or services with an annual turnover of more than rupees 40 lakh or rupees 10 lakh for some special category state in needed to register for GST. A special goods and services tax identification number is granted following successful registration, which is accomplished through the GST system. GST return based on their yearly revenue, monthly, quarterly, and GST return are due from GST registered firms. GST payments. The GST portal accepts payments for GST. Companies must pay GST on a monthly basis, and the payment deadline is the 20th of the following month. Businesses that have registered for GST are able to receive an input tax credit for GST they paid on their purchase of goods and services. Using the ITC may allow them to pay less GST on sales. A company must confirm that its supplier have met their GST responsibility before it can submit an ITC claim. A way bill must be created online whenever objects are transported from one place to another. If a company yearly income reaches rupees 50 lakh, it is required to generate e-way bill for the transfer of goods. Who can file GST compliance? Anyone who is registered under the Goods and Services Tax Act and has a GST in identification number is eligible to file GST compliance in India. Business, suppliers, manufacturers, and service provider are all included. The taxpayer or a registered GST practitioner authorized by the taxpayer can file the GST compliance in India.